we're back. We're gonna do the daily driver this time. This one is a 2022 Tundra that we actually converted to the Sequoia front end. So everything from here up is all Sequoia, and also Dissent sent us one of their Sequoia front bumpers. These just came out, so we started talking with them really early on, and they were like, "You guys have Sequoias? Like, we can make it a Sequoia." So we just got all the parts from Toyota. So every part on here that is in the Sequoia conversion is an OE Toyota part, down to the bumper plastics, everything behind it, everything in there is all OE Toyota. We just get it from our Toyota dealerships. The Dissent bumper is super cool. They actually custom made us some S2, Baja Designs S2 mounts in here. So the nice thing about this is obviously they're staged, but it's all welded, so there's no adjustment, but that's honestly a good thing because they're straight on and dead nuts perfect every time. We also wanted to throw in the come up. This is the Solo 9,500 pound winch. This is their new winch. It is super sweet. You can't really see a whole lot of it. We did use one of the relocation kits as well to move the box up into here. So with the hood popped, you can actually reach that just fine, but also it is Bluetooth, so you can just hit the switch and you're good to go. In the grill, we have the Baja Designs grill kit. This is specifically designed for the Tundras or the Sequoias. It comes with the brackets, and then we have their S8 light bar. Coming around the sides, you already know, we have the Method race wheels. These are the 17 or the 18 by 9 plus 18 wheels. These are the 705s in matte black, wrapped in some Cooper tires. This truck actually has an Icon, I can't remember which one, it's just their Icon coilover kit with the double joint upper control arms. This has been a great kit. Our customer who let us use his truck, he loves it. It rides great. It's been super fun to bomb around in. On the top, we have a Prinsu roof rack. There's nothing mounted up there just yet. Again, this is the daily driver. We want to keep it nice, quiet, and the road manners, we want to keep those all working. I think that pretty much covers it. This is just, again, your daily driver. This is something you can hop in every day. It's not gonna be loud, it's not gonna be annoying, you're not gonna have swing arms to deal with or anything. Hop in and go. So that's the daily driver.